Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this cherry blossom outfit and dress to impress without VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. The outfit will look like this and I'm going to show you how I made this outfit and dress to impress. Okay, and these are the items I'm wearing to create this outfit. For the hairstyle, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this color for the first selection and also the second selection and combine it with this hairstyle, make it the same color, and you're going to choose this hairstyle as well, make it the same color. Okay, and you can put on this bang, make it this color, and for the accessory you can put on this flower, make it this color for the first selection and for the second selection. And then you're going to wear this granny dress. For the granny dress, you can choose top 2. Okay, and then for the pattern, guys, you can apply this pattern, this one. And then you're going to put on this necklace. Okay, for the necklace, you're going to color it with the same pink color. Okay, and then put on the sleeves. You can apply this pattern, this one, and then you're going to put on this heel, make it this pink color, and this skirt, apply this pattern, and you're going to remove the layer. Okay, and what else? Okay, this ribbon, make it this pink color, and this umbrella, apply this pattern. And you're going to put on this earring, just leave it like that. And you're going to put on this top as well from the Madoka set, and you're going to color it with the same pink color. And for the toggle, you can remove the undershirt, gem, and also the bow. So you just need to leave this details and lace. Okay, and this is for the result. That's so cute. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create this cherry blossom outfit and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.